Welcome to my channel, Vibrant Soul Crafts, where we express our creative imagination. I got no worries, no. I got no worries, no. I got no worries, no. I'm shining like a diamond, yeah. got different view, 여유롭게 tease, yeah. 내 자유로운 soul, leave me be, please.
Hello everyone, I am Vibrant Expressions and welcome back to my channel, Vibrant Soul Crafts. You guys, I'm so happy to be sharing with you what I created for the Bargain Bead Box Misty Rose edition. Yay! Alright guys, so this is what I created. This is what I came up with for this month's Bargain Bead Box Misty Rose. So let me go ahead and show you, and I'll actually put it on. By the way, this is an adjustable stretch cord pendant bracelet. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on this beautiful, luscious, vibrant bracelet. Okay, let me just make sure that I'm putting it on correctly. Okay, and carefully so that my ring don't snag on to it. Okay, so this is the latch part. Well, excuse me, not latch because it is adjustable, but this is the back part. Okay, and this is the front. So this is what I have. Okay, can also move it slightly higher. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so this is the bracelet. It's a beautiful layered bracelet. You can wear it to a party, an occasion, something that has a lot of energy, I guess, you know, that's vibrant. Because this time, you know, I did put a bit more bigger energy into this, right? Because at first I was not going to attach the pendants, but then I said, you know what, why not turn the pendants into beautiful, lovely charms draped on the bracelet. So this is what I have. Guys, I'm loving this bracelet. I'm loving it. I'm just excited, you know, to each his own. You know, some people don't like a lot, you know, some people more conservative. I'm both, you know. Sometimes I, you know, like to go big. Sometimes I like to keep a low profile. There's a time and a place for everything. So this is what I came up with. Okay, and I will be doing a tutorial because I did come up with a couple of issues regarding some elements on here. So if you like to know about how I created this bracelet and what inspired me to create and how I came up with the inspiration, and also the challenges that I faced coming up with this bracelet, okay, watch the tutorial. All right, look out for the tutorial. It will be uploaded shortly. All right, because not all crafts and projects come with no challenges. Okay, sometimes there's great challenges, sometimes there's minor challenges, but that's the beauty of it all, you know, being faced with your challenges in the midst of a creative project, and then having the imagination, you know, the senses, the emotions, everything coming together to see how you can make this work, you know? So, yeah. So I love to share that with you. So I will be sharing that on this bracelet tutorial. So what I'm going to do now is give a rundown of all of the elements and bags that I've used from this Bargain Bead Box to make this beautiful, vibrant, luscious bracelet. So first off, we have from bag number 1, which are the rose quartz round beads. We have here. Bag number 3, we have the 8x5 by 5 millimeter 8.5 by 5 millimeter glass rondelle beads, icy pink, which are here. Okay. Next we have bag number 4, which are the shell and turquoise resin beads. Bag number 5, we have the pressed glass flower cap beads, these fuchsia looking bead caps. Bag 6, we have the 11.5 millimeter go-go charms, 10-piece right here, the copper go-go charms. Next we have from bag number 7, the floral round chandelier links, which are the back links that I'm using as clasps to join together the stretchy cord. Bag number 8, we have the floral cutout round medallion pendant. This beautiful copper pendant under this rose quartz go-go pendant. Okay, we have bag 10, which are the ornate round coin spacer beads, which are these lovely beads. Okay, bag 13, we have the 40 millimeter rose quartz go-go pendant. It's a lovely pendant. Okay, bag number 14, we have the 10 millimeter frosted rose quartz round beads that are alternated by the coin beads. Okay, we're up to bag number 16, which are the crystal rondelle beads, pink, jade, copper, which are these lovely, beautiful bling bling vibe beads going on right there. Beautiful. Okay, bag number 18, which are the 8 millimeter faceted rose quartz round beads. These beautiful faceted beads. I'm not sure if the camera is doing these beads any beautiful justice, but stay tuned for the tutorial. All right, I'll get a better capture of the beauty of these beads. Okay, and last but not least, finally, we have bag number 19, which are the 4 millimeter steel spacer beads, antique copper finish. These beautiful copper beads. And there we have it. Oh, why am I okay? Bag 17. I'll skip bag 17, no problem. Which are the hook and eye clasps. All right, but even still, stay tuned to the tutorial so you can see where I incorporated the steel clasp. Very interesting story behind that. Stay tuned. So next I'll bring you my second bracelet creation that I was inspired to make by the Misty Rose Edition Bargain Bead Box. Alright guys, I am back with the second bracelet that I have been inspired to make for this Bargain Bead Box, Misty Rose. This is it, guys. Right here, this beautiful stitch inspired bracelet. Got some stitch action going on. Okay, so this here also is adjustable, and it is on stretch cord. Okay, and this is it. This is the focal point and the back. So what I want to say regarding this bracelet is that most of the elements on this bracelet is included in a Bargain Bead Box. Okay, one element is not, which are the pearl glass beads. All right, and the only reason why I included these pearl glass beads is because there was not enough pink porcelain beads that came in the bead box, Bargain Bead Box. Yeah, so actually, to be exact, 6 porcelain beads came within the bead box. So I mean, I did find that a little bit disappointing at first, you know, so I said, well, I'm still going to make this bracelet because this style of bracelet is what came to my mind, is what I saw, what I envisioned. And I knew when I saw these porcelain beads that they were the perfect match. And just because I didn't have enough to fill the entire bracelet, I said, let me just include a bead type that I do have. And that's what I did. So with that being said, I will give a rundown to the elements that I used. And with this bracelet, it was only 4 elements to this bracelet. Pretty simple but beautiful bracelet, very fun to make. Okay, and you'll see how I made it in my upcoming tutorial regarding this beautiful adjustable bracelet. So with that being said, we'll start off with bag number 15, which are the beautiful and beloved pearl pink porcelain round beads. Okay, next we have bag number 9, which are the scalloped bead caps. Gorgeous. Okay, which I have enclosing the pearl pink porcelain beads. Okay, next we have bag number 16, which are the 3.5 by 3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, pink jade copper. Okay, on the outer skirts of the bead, the bracelet. And finally we have from bag 11, which are the 6 millimeter 20 pink rhodonite round beads right here. And by the way, guys, I love rhodonite. All pink crystals. I love my pink rose quartz. As a matter of fact, I have a couple of my pink crystals. This is natural raw rose quartz crystal. This is my rhodonite that I have wire wrapped. All right, this is the tumble stone rhodonite. Okay. I love my pink crystals, guys. And this, I mean, while we were talking about pink, right? This is my pink tourmaline. Yeah. Okay. So anyhow, so this completes the elements that I used to make this Bargain Bead Box Misty Rose Edition bracelet. Stay tuned for the tutorial, guys. Alright, y'all, so I really enjoyed this video and I enjoyed sharing with you all my experiences with this Bargain Bead Box Misty Rose Edition. Guys, thank you so much. I'm truly grateful, and thank you for you all to be able to share in this inspiration and creative experience. Thank you, guys. Take care. Till next time. Bye.
got a different view 여유롭게 달려와